I'm still not convinced kung na mag-invest sa condo as rental investment. Meron naman akong option or choice. I have the biggest chances to basically buy condos. Pero still, hindi talaga ako at ang asawa ko still not convinced. The bottom line is, isa yun sa reason why I don't invest is yung condo juice. 'Di ba? Depending kung gaano kamahal yung condo. In fact, I saw one of in the social media na she's telling her experience din kung bakit hindi na siya mag-i-invest ng condos. Can you imagine? She said her HOA fees, her condo dues umabot almost 90,000, 'di ba? 90,000 kasi nga 'di ba maraming mga maintenances 'yan. So,